Hi and Assalamualaikum for our lecturer Puan Madaswari. Today my team are going to present about case study Y for subject human computer interaction code DFC 30033. So here my teammate, I'm going to introduce myself first. My name is NURIFFAH binti ZAIDI and my matrix number 01DDT20F1008.
Okay, my name is Huwaini Husna binti HASNAN, matric number 01DDT20F1071.
My name is Umi Salama Amanda binti Abdul Rahim, matrix number 01DDT20F1090. And the issue for our case study is Mr. Raj, the Chief Executive Officer of Global Net Jamberhad in Perai, Penang, which is involved in many projects and system development for government and private sector. Z Fashion Boutique owner had accepted a tender from GlobalNet to create their website. Mr. Raj has assigned you as a Chief Design Officer to create the user interface design for the website. Your team decided to approach the principal to support usability in interactive system design to create an interactive design for the website. I will pass back to NURIFFAH to continue the presentation.
Okay, here the website material that we use. We use a template from site 1 to 3 for create our website design. So you can check out from by scanning QR code or check out by using a line link. So I'm going to show the design, how design works. So here the design will have a navigation bar here. So as you can see, I have home, hair shop, a variety that you can choose, which is the leather, artifact leather, about shop, the logos, the contact, and where the location in it at Kuala Lumpur, and also the email that you receive. So here the main page of the our website. So right now I'm going to show what's the content in the our website. So first here company's logo, which is this is company's logo that we create, that we design on it. So this is shown, this is from our companies. uh, Second thing is login and sign up registration form, which is for the old user that already sign up, which is you just can log in the login form. For the new user, you have to fill in everything, your information in it, and click save to to for know that you already signed up in our website, so in our system. So next I'm going to explain about our website. So about in our website here, which is the to tell you about the behind that, in our the detail about our boutique, our website, which is the here state that where's the brand they founded, and where's right now have a lot uh, is depression channel that channels instant. So then about in the website. Now this is a contact field, which is if you have any opinion, any reporting in it, you just fill in your information here, which is put your name, a number for an email, and do something, any report or opinion in it to contact with us. So then about contact, this is a product details in it. So in the product details, have a state, the name of the brand, the name of the products, and the picture of the product. So have a price in it, the shipping price, and the quantity that you need it in the price, the quantity that you need in the product, and the click add to cart if you like if you want or like to buy it. So then about product details. So uh, continue with the order form. If the user love it with the product and want to buy it or purchase the product, you have to fill in your information detail, uh, information detail about yourself, and the detail about yourself in order form. So after you finish, you have to click um, and you have to click save in order form. After that, you have to pay to know the shipping for the delivery for delivery staff. And after you done pay the shipping for delivery staff, and here the confirmation for payment, that you have to choose, have two option in it, which is which payment method that you want to use, while cash on delivery or by using phone. So click place order and your payment already done, and this is a receipt, which is the proof or evidence that your order already purchased, you already pay the stuff. So it have a detail on it with documentation for user. The detail on it have a total price of the total price of your product, and the order code for serially, and your name, which country you live, which state you live, and your address, everything, and it will posting in your email, and the email will be send the receipt for you. So that's it from me. So I'm gonna to pass to my other member, which is Huwaini, Husna, and Salama, to explain about the principles to support usability.
Okay, thank you, Ifa. Okay, now I will explain about learnability, which is first predictability, second synthesability, and third consistency. Okay, for the meaning of learnability is principles are concerned with interactive system features which aid novice users to learn quickly and also allow steady progression to expertise. The principles discussed below support the learnability design principle. Okay, next, predictability. This interactive design principle requires a user's knowledge of interaction to be sufficient to determine the outcome of present or future interaction with the system. Okay, this is an example for predictability. Customer can edit the information to keep safe in the system. Okay, next, for synthesizability, user must be able to access the effect of past action. Okay, this is example for synthesizability. Customers can add the item that they want with put it in the cart and continue shopping. Next, consistency. For consistency to support generalizability, consistency is essential and is probably one of the most widely applied design principles in user interface design. Consistency between applications is always favorable. However, consistency within an application is essential. This example consistency, color and background and the page on the website keep in the same and with new upgradation to make customer attractive with it. Now I will pass to Umi.
Thank you, Huwaini. Now I will explain flexibility. Flexibility means the multiplicity of ways the user and system exchange information and do things. There are 5 types of flexibility, which are multi-threading, dialogue initiative, task migratability, substitutability, and customizability. And I'm going to explain the one that we are using in our web design in our website. Next slide. So first, Task migratability. Task migrability means passing responsibility for task execution between user and system. For example, spell checking. In our website case, the customer can filter or search their favorite item that they want by using search option on the website. That is our task migratability that we're using in our website. Next slide. Dialogue initiative. Dialogue initiative is a form of freedom from system imposed constraint. There are two types of input dialogues, which is system versus user. And in our website, dialogue initiative is for to confirm for customer which they want to delete or to save information. Next slide. Substitutivity. Substitutivity means allowing equivalent values of input and output to be substituted for each other. Also, representation multiplicity or equal opportunity. In our website, it is applied by customer can insert how much item that they need by clicking plus icon or insert any numbers. Next slide. Customizability. Customizability means modifiability of the user interface by the user, adaptability, or system. Adaptivity. In our website, customizability is customer can discover the product or item that they are looking by clicking on the home page. I will now pass back to Huwaini Husna to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Umi. Okay, now last I want to explain about robustness. The robustness of an interface design can be measured in terms of the following four principles. These principles aim to support users to achieve their goals. In robustness, have observability and task conformance. Okay, for observability, should provide users with an ability to evaluate the internal state from its representation. If a user cannot understand the internal state of the system, there is a high likelihood that user's confidence will be very low. For example, if the system is performing a time-consuming operation, the current status of the operation should be displayed. Okay, this is example of observability. Customer observe to find out more information or detail about the website by navigation bar below. Okay, next. Last, task conformance. Task conformance are two aspects of task conformance: task completeness and task adequacy. Task completeness is concerned with whether a system is capable of supporting the entire task that a user wishes to perform. Okay, this is example for task conformance. Customers that done a purchase will be notified that their purchase is complete and accepted by the system.
That's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you.